Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, meet me again with me Natasha Putri. In this video, I will explain the concept of bridge on Mikrotik. Bridging on Mikrotik is a technique for combining several Ethernet ports found on a Mikrotik router into one segment. With this bridging technique, each network that has a different location but has the same network address or one segment can be connected. Type of interface that can be bridged is 1. Ethernet, 2. VLAN, 3. Wireless access point (VDA), and station pseudo bridge. 4. AOIP or Ethernet over IP, and 5. PPTP. The source of bridge is 1. Trouble on one segment will create problems in all segments on the same bridge. 2. Increase in traffic load due to traffic accumulation. And 3. It's hard to see the quality of the link in each segment. The following is topology used in the material. In here, I use IP address is 26.26.26.1/24 and use IP network is 26.26.26.0. Later, I will bridge all port Ethernet into one bridge so that all Ethernet can become one network or segment. Directly to configuration. First, open the Winbox application and click MAC address to remote router. First, checking the interface used with the command interface print. Here it can see that the router has 4 Ethernet ports, and later I will bridge all the Ethernet ports. Here also show that I am using Ether1 which is directly connected to the client.
Next, create to bridge interface.
Use the command interface bridge add name. In here I use name is bridge 1. For check result configuration interface bridge with command interface bridge print. You can see that the status of bridge interface is running. Next, do the addition of port interface into the bridge that was previously created, namely bridge 1. For configure with the command interface bridge port add interface in use is Ether1 and bridge in use is bridge 1. Because here I use Ether1, so when at Ether1 port, the router will automatically reboot.
Click reconnect.
Next, add the interface Ether2, Ether3, and Ether4 port to bridge 1 using the command
Interface bridge port add. Interface in use is Ether2 and bridge is bridge 1.
and ether 3 and ether 4. To see result configuration interface bridge port with the command interface bridge port print.
It can be seen that the only ether 1 is active because only the ether 1 port is directly connected to the client, and in the ether 2, ether 3, ether 4 have asyncs, which means is inactive because ether 2, ether 3, ether 4 not connected to the client.
Next, we can also check the interface with the command interface print. It can see that the status of each port is S or cell or slave, which means the port is connected to bridge, and R is means the ether 1 port is used or directly connected to the client with the LAN cable. Next, add the IP address for the bridge interface with the command IP address add address. For address in use is 26.26.26.1/24 according from topology. And interface use is bridge 1. Check the configuration with the command IP address print. You can see that I have successfully added the IP address for interface bridge 1. Then do the client test. I will configure IP static in the client. Open the network connection. Right click to Ethernet port in use. Click Properties and here choose Internet Protocol version 4 to perform IP static. Here, type IP address which is still the same network as bridge 1, namely 26.26.26.2 and subnet MAC in use is /24 and default gateway is 26.26.26.1. If already, click OK, close. Next, perform ping test on the gateway IP via CMD. Press Windows R, CMD, perform ping to gateway with the command ping 26.26.26.1. It can be seen that the result is reply means the client connected to server or bridge 1 or bridge
Using
1.
ether 1.
Next, I will move the LAN cable to the ether 2 port. Check interface in use with the command interface print. It can be seen that in here I use ether 2 indirectly connected to the client. Next, ping for gateway with the command ping 26.26.26.1. it can be seen that the result is reply,
which means the client is connected to the server with the Ether 2.
Next, I will move the LAN cable to Ether 3 port. Reconnect. Make sure to interface in use with the command interface print. It can be seen that the interface Ether 3 is directly connected to the client. Next, ping to the gateway, namely ping 26.26.26.1. It can be seen that the result is reply.
Which means the laptop is connected to the server with bridge and using Ether 3. Next, I will move the LAN cable to Ether 4 port interface.
In here, click reconnect and check the interface in use with the command interface print. It can be seen that the interface Ether4 is running, means the Ether4 is directly connected to the client. Then perform ping to the gateway with the command ping 26.26.26.1. It can be seen that the result is reply, means the client can connect it to the router Mikrotik in use. So many explanation for me regarding the bridge concept. More or less sorry until we meet again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.